Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fun with Experiments. Today's video is about an interesting experiment called walking water. Does water also walk? Let's find out. The materials required for this experiment are 3 transparent glasses, 2 tissue papers, 2 food colors. Here I am using yellow and blue. And finally a cup of water. Let's zoom in. Fill 3/4 of water in the first and third glass. Remember to leave the middle glass empty. Bring the glasses close to each other. Now fold the tissue papers as shown. It's time to add some colors. Here I am adding 2 drops of blue food color in the first glass and 2 drops of yellow food color in the third glass. Make sure to mix them well. Now fold the tissues into an inverted V shape and place them inside the glasses as shown. Let's wait for a few minutes and allow water to walk. After 2 minutes. Now 5 ml of water has collected in the middle glass. You can also see that the water is green. Let's wait for another 10 minutes. The level of water is equal in all the glasses. What just happened? Let's find out. The colored water travels up the tissue paper by a process called capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of a liquid to flow upward against gravity in narrow spaces. This science experiment is also a great example of color mixing. You can learn about how secondary colors are formed by the mixing of blue and yellow, which are primary colors. Here's what. Take a look at our next video premiering this Tuesday, June 1st, 2021 at 6 p.m. IST. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't watched our previous video, which was a DIY project, here it is in front of you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Share it with your family and friends too. Until then, goodbye.